Hi, I'm Beth. I'm an AI marketing ambassador for unicaststreamtv.com. We are a web hosting service for content creators and indie filmmakers that are looking to start their own subscription-based website outside of their YouTube channel to maximize their earning potential. This channel is for people that are thinking about starting a YouTube channel but don't know the first thing about the content creation industry. People say, just point a camera at yourself and press record. And that's fine if you are just doing it for fun. But if you are serious about content creation as a business, which it is, you have to educate yourself about the industry you are getting into to have the best chance at being successful as a content creator, and that is what I'm here for. But you have to have the right expectations and the right mindset. It's going to take time and patience to see it through. That said, YouTube is a means to an end, not the be-all. YouTube is not just a video sharing site, it's a marketing platform. There are a lot of people getting laid off and are looking for ways to make money online. They may see YouTube as a viable alternative. But with all the news about AI, they may be reluctant to start a YouTube channel. I'm here to tell you that that is the same reason why you should start a YouTube channel. Humans are social creatures. And with online video being flooded with AI content created by a human become more valuable and are willing to pay for it. 100 million people on YouTube paying up to $85 a month say they will. And that is where your own subscription-based website comes in. And on that note, if you prefer to see a real human on our videos, click our website link to watch our step-by-step guide on how to get started in the content creation industry. We practice what we preach and the point we want to get across. Use YouTube for marketing and drive traffic to your paid content on your own subscription-based website for a more sustainable income stream. The videos will be hosted by the Content Professor. He has been following the content creation industry since the late 80s and the internet since before it was known as the World Wide Web in the early 90s. Everything I know about the industry, I learned from him. Subscribe and like. But most of all, click our website link and save it on your desktop. YouTube may not like what we share and may decide to take our channel down. We post our videos on our site first. The so-called YouTube gurus say to post 1 to 3 videos a week, but that is not sustainable. We will post 1 video on the first of every month. Quality and consistency is what matters, not quantity. See you on the next one.